You're in the pool swimming?
You're relaxed.
What the fuck was that?
Morning. Good day to you, sir. Hey, wait a minute, what the hell?
From the moment that I walked in the house, bitches decided that they just weren't gonna like me, period. No!
Good boy. Street for a while.
Right in the middle! Go ahead, dog! Even!
Hold on, cuz.
Ready?
I think you got more than you.
Me no study, me no care, me go marry a billionaire. If he die, me no cry, me go...
This is not good. I think this is the end.
Yeah, I think this is the end, bro. I think we're dead.
My name is Andrew Dingus.
Oh, shittings.
He's coming!
Zizi, tadi ada orang panjang di sini. Aman tadi ada. Mukanya kayak gini. Mukanya kayak.
3, 2, 1. I love, I don't, 我的心哦，
元気だ。
何やってるのベル君。いきなり逃げるなんて失礼でしょ。
Yes!
Hey, SpongeBob, I'm right here. What did you say you were gonna do to me? I said I was gonna... Do not let them complete the sentence.
¡Qué suerte! ¡Me sobró algo de jarabe de... ¡Oh! ¡Oh, no! ¡El queso! ¿Qué le pasó al queso apestoso? ¡Hijo de tu puta madre! ¡Te comiste el queso! ¡No!
I am a surgeon! I am a surgeon! I am a...
Dustin Lucas will Mike Dustin Lucas will Mike Max Dustin Lucas Dustin
Can I do some real quick?
No! 3, 2, 1.
I told you not to do that. You done knocked the fucking wind out yourself. Oh, so cute. So cute.
IDK, IDC, TBH. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I... Emily, I was just saying I don't know. I don't mind going to Chipotle, to be honest. Freaking Dr. Seuss over here going...
Jinxie, can you count down for me? I'm almost finished. Bro, are you? Bro, I'm not helping you not. Get off of the channel.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
run over this liberal, or do I drive around him? What do you think? I don't know. Think about the gas prices. Yeah, but then I'd have to back up and go around. It all just kind of feels like a waste of time, doesn't it? I'm not going to do that. No, don't feel like it. Don't feel like I'm not going to do it. No, no.
Bütün kızlar bende var, bende para çok çok var. Burnumda hep toplar var, var. Tamponu yere bastırdım, hemen tesisat yaptırdım. Kıza kendimi kaptırdım, kıza kendimi kaptırdım.
How can you defeat somebody you can't recognize? Oh no, which one do I shoot?
Oh my God, you're dropping me! Holy shit! Ah, they're dropping me!
Force, flexing, no ketchup, nah, just sauce, saucy, raw sauce, yo, boom, the thing goes,
Lord, I'm one, Lord, I'm two, Lord, I'm three, Lord, I'm four, Lord, I'm 500 miles from my home.
Ito ang pasukan na may batura. Jadi minta tolong jangan lo nilawan. Jangan lo nilawan.
Yo, I'm here for the birthday party. Whoop whoop. Where's the cake?
Hey, sorry, dude. We ate all the cake. You got here a little late, man.
What the fuck do you mean you ate all the cake?
I'm sorry, dude. You just got here a little too late.
Shush. If I can't eat my cake, then I'm gonna eat you.
grab the knife, grab the knife, grab the knife.
I'm Coyote Peterson, and I'm about to enter the sting zone with the Tarantula Hawk.
Go for it.
1, 2, here we go, 3. You alright? Oh my gosh! Oh!
I'm posting this on my TikTok. I have no idea who this man is. He is lying. I have no idea who this man is. I'm posting this on every platform
I'm a
ever.
YouTuber. I'm a very popular YouTuber, and everyone on YouTube's got to see this, even including the creator of Lemming, and even including the creator of this game. So he will ban you. So this guy, yeah, his name is Fishlegs. His name is Fishlegs. He's at the top. His ID is 112435.
Thanks. This game is so boring. I wonder why there's so many anomalies. What a dork. Huh? Hey man. Dude, what now? I was wondering if I could get another coffee and maybe stay in your office? Yeah, sure man, just... Is that the police? Thanks man.
Don't rat me out.
Yeah, whatever. Hello sir, what's up? Have you seen this person with a fake mustache, kinda ugly, ask for coffee, anything like that?
Don't rat me out.
I just wanted some coffee, man.
Cheeseburgers.
Tell me when you see a fish.
There's one.
Ah! Oh my god.
Kim, what the hell?
I didn't mean to.
Did you do that on purpose?
No.
Pull it out.
I'm so sorry.
You said you knew what you were doing.
I think the sun reflected in my eyes.
Give me the spear, I'll do it.
No, I can do this.
Fine, then I'm standing behind you.
I see one. I don't even know how that happened.
Ninja!
Oh, you just got juked.
Oh, that's... Fine, I'll turn it back up. Why is that fucking cat so cute? So cute, actually.
Dude, my birthday's 3 days ago. I only got to eat like one slice of my own cake because of my fat ass brother. That's so funny. I'm sorry. That is so funny. Stop rushing me! Damn! We did it, guys! We did it, guys! Mwah! Yeah, just being around me gets your sanity up.
Bro, that brings us so down. It's like -10 per second, bro.
That's gonna be you.
Oh.
You say that to me again.
I'm kidding, bro.
Yeah. Oh, come on. I'll just shoot this guy. Fuck off. Wait, there's one more left. Who's left?
It's like recovering.
No, but it should count as soon as you give him the stuff, no? Oh, that's why.
Oh, that's why. Yeah, okay.
Man, come here, bitch! Room 7. And 8.
W quick scope, bro.
Thanks, man.
We don't know you! We did not want your help! We did not want your help! No. No. We don't know her. No! Who are you? Who are you?
You have to stay here with us. We need you here. You're peach colored if you care. Your color
are
is
a
peach.
stranger. You're just saying nothing!
Ladies, no. Ladies, we're nurses. We have to go to work.
I don't know any of y'all.
just need to relax and stop overreacting.
Murdered this man.
Yes,
You tortured him.
of course.
I'm the best. Look how he looks. Yeah, I see one right in front of me. He's blue and looks like a bunny and has a stupid face on it. You know, what are you doing? I'm not even looking at the cameras. You just embarrassed yourself. Fine, fine, let me check. Best worker for today is fuck yeah! Don't look up. I think you need to poke him. Wait, give him eye drops, maybe that. Cause, you know, he got bad eyes. I did it. Did you actually give him eye drops? Yeah. No way. You still can't look up. He's still there, but like I gave him eye drops. No way that actually. Yay! Yay! What?
What you listening to, son?
I don't think you like it.
Well, why not? I like this new generation of music.
Tips for Animal Hospital. The patients in Shift 1 will never be an anomaly, so don't worry about that. Serve them. Patient 1's treatment should always be herbs, and Patient 2's treatment should be eye drops. If you see these possessed patients, don't worry. Let them in. All they do is start a ritual. That's pretty easy to deal with. Be sure to grab eye drops. Once they start a ritual, you extinguish them with eye drops, not your hands. If you use your hands, it takes some sanity away. First, treat them normally, like how you usually do. Wait for them to recover, then they should start a ritual. Extinguish the candles with your eye drops. Then they will thank you for curing them. They are no longer possessed. If you see this bed monster, don't be scared. Just grab maple syrup and walk in the red square. And don't worry if you accidentally let in an anomaly. Just grab the wrong treatment and kill them. If you see this anomaly, do not ask him to leave. Instead, grab a cup of coffee, equip it, and then ask him to leave. If a visitor faints, you have the choice to throw them away or bring them to a bed and treat them, but I recommend treating them. Use the fire extinguisher to clean up slime. A lot of tips may tell you to use eye drops on these eyes, but I highly recommend not to, as it takes your sanity away, so just try to not look up. Roommate's treatment always starts with IV drops.
apa. Aneh. Bener dulu. Oh, nampaknya nggak kena yang ih, nggak. Aduh. Push. Iya. Push. Nanti rusak kaca gua. Gak usah liatin tuh. Aduh, kok gitu? Kepala dia. Apa itu? Apa itu? Oh ini, aku lupa aku punya ini. No, dapat appointment nih. Oke, no, kamu nggak boleh masuk. Pink, yuk. Woi. Oh. No. Itu Tom ya? Halo? Masih deket-deket deh.